In LCM Digital you can display images, such as floor plans, sections or detailed plans, next to the areas and thus visually support the representation. Click on the View Mode button. Switch the space for images on or off with the Show Area Attachments button. Click on an image. Select Add Area Attachment to add a new image. Click the Edit icon to replace the displayed image with another one. Delete the image by clicking the Delete icon. In the daily board it is also possible to display the area attachments. To do this, switch to the week view. Click on the three dots and select Show Area Attachments. If the option Show Area Attachments is on, the images are also displayed in the PDF export of the process plan. Still questions? In our Help Center you will find answers to your questions and numerous tutorials. Contact our support or write us at support@lcmdigital.com. We look forward to supporting you in your work with LCM Digital.